Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business but didn't know where to begin? Well, 2025 is your year. In this video, we're diving into 20 of the best small business ideas for beginners. Low cost, high potential, and perfect for starting right from your laptop or living room. And no, you don't need a Harvard MBA or a trust fund. Just a vision, your phone or laptop, and the right idea. So grab a notebook because idea number 17 could change your life. And stick around till the end for a bonus idea that's making new entrepreneurs over $10,000 a month. Hey there. Welcome back to your channel name, the place where we break down money, business, and smart financial growth, simplified for you. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a chance to grow your wealth. Let's jump right in. Section 1. Digital service businesses to 1. Social media management. Small businesses are desperate for a good online presence. If you know how to post, use Canva, or schedule content, you can manage their social media for $300, $1,000 a month per client. 2. Freelance copywriting. If you can write clear, persuasive content, companies will pay you for blogs, email marketing, and ad copy. 3. Virtual assistant. Help busy entrepreneurs with emails, calendars, or customer service. Remotely, start small and scale into an agency. 4. Website design with templates. Use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Webflow to offer beautiful, pre-designed website packages. No coding needed. 5. SEO consultant for local businesses. Help businesses rank higher in Google search. A few wins, and you can charge $500 per client monthly. Section 2. AI and tech-based ideas. 6. AI-powered content creation. Use tools like ChatGPT and Jasper to write blog posts, create YouTube scripts, or generate social media content. 7. Prompt engineering services. Businesses using AI need well-designed prompts. Learn how to craft prompts and sell them on Fiverr or 2 agencies. 8. Sell AI automation services to small businesses. Help local companies automate bookings, emails, or chat support using free or low-cost AI tools. 9. Tech review YouTube channel, review tools, apps, and gadgets, and earn from affiliate marketing, ads, and sponsorships. 10. Digital product store, Notion templates, planners, etc. People pay for ready-to-use templates. Create once, sell forever. Section 3. Offline and hybrid ideas, -11. Mobile car wash, detailing low startup cost, high demand. Offer subscriptions or corporate packages. 12. Pet sitting, dog walking. Perfect for animal lovers. Apps like Rover or Wag can help you start quickly. 13. Amazon or Walmart reselling by clearance items or wholesale. List them online and flip them for profit. 14. Farmers market food business, sell baked goods, juices, jams, or hot sauces at local markets. 15. Home cleaning services still booming, especially with eco-friendly or luxury positioning. Section 4. Creator and coaching ideas. 16. YouTube channel niche focused. Niches like personal finance, parenting, AI tools, or fitness are exploding. With consistency, you can earn from ads and affiliates. 17. Podcasting for local businesses. Start a local podcast and charge businesses to sponsor episodes or appear as guests. 18. Online tutoring. If you're good at math, languages, or test prep, offer one-to-one tutoring on Zoom. Low cost, high reward. 19. Wellness coach, fitness guide. Build custom programs and offer them online via PDFs, video, or live coaching. 20. Course creator, skill-based. If you know how to use Excel, edit videos, or bake sourdough, create a course. Use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Skillshare. Bonus idea. Bonus, local content creation business. Become the go-to person in your city for real estate agents, restaurants, or shops who need Instagram reels, photos, or short videos. Start with your phone. Charge $100 to $500 per shoot. Now you don't need $1 million to start your own business. Just a willingness to learn and the right idea. Which of these business ideas are you going to start with in 2025? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know. Like this video if you found even one idea useful. Subscribe for more finance, business, and wealth building tips. And remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. See you in the next one.